The Beatles Again, or Hey Jude, is a 1970 compilation of B-sides of non-album singles. This is a Capitol Records album consisting of tracks whose only previous American album appearance had been on the Hard Day's Night soundtrack album, which had been released by United Artists Records. The Hey Jude LP has been out of print since the late 1980s. Included are the two singles I Should Have Known Better and Can't Buy Me Love. The Beatles Again album was a project by Alan Klein and Apple Records, who had directed Alan Steckler of APCO to work on the LP. Steckler chose songs that had not appeared on a Capitol album in the US and focused on recent singles more than earlier material of the band's career. The front and back cover pictures were taken August 22nd, 1969 at the final Beatles photo session at Tittenhurst Park, which was John Lennon's home. The final Beatles photo shoot took place 2 days after their last recording session together. Photographers were Ethan Russell, Monty Fresco. Additional pictures were taken by Mal Evans. Some film footage was shot by Linda McCartney. Some of this footage may have been shown on the BBC, September 1969.